Welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning in to another reaction to Chainsaw Man by yours truly, Semi P. I appreciate you so much. I hope everybody's having a great day. Last thing we seen was the Ghost Devil choking out Aki, man. I was worried for him, you know what I'm saying? But we got episode 12, Katana versus Chainsaw Man. That sounds very exciting. Let me take this moment, though, to shout out my Patreon. Guys, you are the backbone to this community and to my channel, my support system. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and going that extra mile, guys. Let's get into this episode 12 of Chainsaw Man. Right where we left off. You gotta love it. Oh, these flashbacks are always so sad. And you're ready to develop an addiction? Damn, man. It's weird. Bro, it's from her. No way, dude. That's crazy. So that's scary looking. For Himeno. No, no. Oh, no, no. Oh. Dude, that thing is gross, bro.
Heavy.
Ew. Powers just...
肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。
Oh, snap.
捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Getting nerve.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパワー。はっ。こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。どんなもんだ。わしは逃げてない。戦い。運最強だ。
Power's a beast. But the whole time she thinks Denji's sitting there watching, he done left her.
Detanaもお土産マン。
待て待て待て。少し話さないか。つもりだ。
Never.
俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ。デンジ、 お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。そやがる。
That's the truth, though.
まあいい。
At the first
それが
episode,
仮
like,
に本当だったとしてだ。ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
全然。
what kind of question is that?
もな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。
What?
お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちになるほど。じゃあ切り殺して。
Bro, hold on. No, I literally said, nah. And then he says that. Like, I know Denji, bro. I love this show, man.
やだ。
なる。
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
Let's get it, baby. Now this is a fight, bro. This is a fight, man.
前よりは動けるみたいだが、ママはそんな大層な暮らししてんのか。
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな。そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらう。
This is such a good fight, man. Like this is insane actually. I didn't expect it to be this good.
どこ行った。
ただいま車内に異常が発生して緊急停車いたします。ドアが開きますので速やかに外へ避難してください。繰り返しただいま
Got his arm. He got one of Denji's arms, man. Anytime you see him go in the stance right here, he's about to move quick.
ああ、禁止にしようぜそれ。
ほざけ。ちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
He wants that apology so bad, man. Literally has no arms. Come on, Denji.
まだ戦えるぜ。頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカが。しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
Bro, Denji's just getting beat, bro. Like how could he come back from this, bro?
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがと。じじいに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の。
Oh.
じじいに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
Bro got cut in half and was still talking, man. And then, so he hit him with one with his leg because he said, "Oh, I still have a chainsaw on my head." He had one pop out of his leg. Yo, Denji getting better, man.
ぶっ殺してや
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。俺は反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしね
お前には何もできねえだろう。 公安の犬うざいがよ。
今から大会を開く。
Oh my god. He's literally playing games. Denji's different, bro.
応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。
お前は何を言ってんだ。
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だから警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
Yes, absolutely.
いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
ああ、そう。そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Wait. The cigarette's an easy revenge? Oh no. It was success?
まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへ
Cool.
レクイエムだ。
今回のテスト、その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を
Salvatore?
欲しがっ
That was the girl?
それが聞き出す前に自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から
Damn.
10の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片
So her contract was kill herself if
が本体に向かって動きました。
ついにか。どこに向かって動いた。
I like seeing them in regular clothes, bro. It's vibey, you know? This song is so good and vibey, bro. And like, I love watching them just be like a little family, you know? That's awesome. Wait, after credits? After the ending? It's like, dude, it literally went into like the ending, like after the ending. Like, what the? We got an ending to the ending? He's been through so much, dude. What is this? Reminds me of the first episode. Wait,
いつも見る夢だ。
Raymond?
落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Wait, what? Pochita was in the dream and said you can't open that door.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Oh, in the comments below, help me, man. What's up with that ending? The ending after the ending. The actual ending was dope, though. You know what I mean? It really was. That song was a banger. And I like how it was like part of the episode, actually. It wasn't just like showing what happened in the episode, in the episode. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it was just showing like it, you know, like the episode just kept going in a sense, just in an ending form. I think that's so cool. It really is. It's very creative. The song was a banger. Also, this show is after this episode, man, it's up there, dude. It's up there in my favorites. It really is. I love this. I love Denji. I love Power's personality. Like the personality of the characters is everything to me. You know what I mean? It's something you can connect to. Also, the animation's dope of this show and everything. So like I'm excited for what is to come with this. And that ending kind of confused me just a little bit. I don't know everything that's going on, man. I feel like, you know what I mean? Even though I've watched in detail, like, you know, they do that with the cliffhangers, man. They keep you guessing, is what I'm saying. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you so much for tuning in. Patreon, my family over there, thank you guys for if you're not part of that, go join that. I promise you will not be disappointed. Guys, have a great day. You know the vibes. Peace.